Ta-da! This is my Zooplus order. I pre-opened it because it was actually kind of a bit open in the beginning, and then I just wanted to make sure that everything was in there. So I pre-opened it, and hey Freyja, you're hungry? I'm sorry. I'll let you eat soon, okay? All right. I ordered from zooplus.it. They have zooplus.uk, co.uk, and zooplus.eu, and they have a German site. Zooplus is a pet store that's online, and I think it's probably the biggest European online pet shop. Not selling pet supplies. So I have a cat. Her name is Freyja, and I got her a ton of stuff before Christmas, and actually I even got something for Valentino, who is a Maine Coon, and his father is my husband's father. So my father-in-law's cat is Valentino the Maine Coon. He is a gorgeous silver blue. I have him in some of my videos, but he's so beautiful. So I got him something new. Zooplus has a lot of new products these days. Well, when I went online this week, actually, it just took 4 days for me to get the package, and mine actually came from Germany. So they packed it in Germany, and so they have some new stuff, and in particular, some new breed stuff. So for animal purebreds. And so anyways, let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is the Concept for Life dry cat food, and this one is for the Maine Coon, and I really think this is comparable to Royal Canin, but I've never tried this. So Valentino generally eats the Royal Canin Maine Coon, and he mostly eats dry food because he has problems with like gingivitis and stuff. So the veterinarian told my father-in-law, his name is Renato, so he told Renato to, oh, Freyja's hungry because she can smell the food. So last time I ordered from Zooplus, if you see my last haul, I ordered the Happy Days or Happy Cat dry food. Freyja didn't really like that. I mean, it was like she would eat it, but reluctantly. She didn't really, it wasn't her favorite. Her favorite is the Science Plan, like what I know that she really likes. She likes things that are big that she can really chew on. She actually, her favorite is the Science Plan Oral Care. A lot of cats, I think they like to chew, at least Valentino and Freyja, she likes to chew her food, and unless the pieces are not like are big, she just swallows them. So she's very similar. Freyja is a European short hair, not purebred, but I think that her characteristics are similar to the British short hair. So she likes to eat big pieces, and she has a tendency to swallow her food, and she has a problem with, like, sometimes it seems like she has like a sore throat or something. And I heard that British short hairs have the same thing. So I got this, and this is a Christmas present for Valentino, so I'm actually going to wrap this and give it to him for Christmas. Okay, so I got two, because actually it's 1 + 1 free for these, because it's new and they have a promotion. They have a sale on right now. So this is the British short hair, and it promotes healthy skin and shiny coat, cartilage and joint health, cardiac support and function. So it's good for the heart, sorry. And it says adapted kibble. So the unique shape of this kibble has been adapted to the strong jaws of the British short hair cat in order to highly avoid gobbling the food. It stimulates intensive chewing. Okay, so that's one of the reasons I thought it would be really good for Freyja. It just seems to have really good ingredients in there, and I think it is comparable to the Royal Canin, but this was cheaper. So it was €4.99, €4.99, but for two, because it's 2 for 1. This was also on sale, so I got the Royal Canin British short hair, 2 kilograms, I believe. No, 4 kilograms. This is the 4. It's heavy. It's the 4 kilogram British short hair breed kibble. And it claims to have the same functions as the Concept for Life one has. It just has muscle tone and joint health, dental health. That's because it's like chewable. And healthy heart, And I don't know, it just seems, I really do like the Royal Canin brand. It's just, the problem with it is that it's very expensive. You know, pet supplies and pet food in particular can be very expensive. So anyways, when there are sales on, I try to take advantage of this. So I believe this was about 30 euros. I'm not sure if that's the exact amount, but with this it came a free bag of litter, and that litter is worth 6 euros. So this is it. This is the Tiggerino from Canada. So funny, it has the Canadian flag on it. And it's a more fine-grained clay-based clumpable litter, 99% dust-free. Freyja uses this. I also got her another bag, but this came free with the Royal Canin, so that was a good deal. I love this time of year because there are so many sales. So I also got this litter, which I've never tried before. It's called Cat's Best, or Oko Plus. I think you can get something like that in... Anyways, I'm not sure if you can get this in Canada or North America, but this is 100% natural. The other one is natural too, but this one is made with plant fiber. So this is a plant fiber litter. It is clumpable, and I wanted to try it out. So this is the trial pack, and it just cost $3.99, I believe. And I got some more dry food. This is new. This is a British made brand that's new to Zooplus, so it's being sold in Zooplus now. And so there are huge promotions on this as well. It's another natural brand. The concept for life is also natural, no preservatives, conservatives, artificial flavors or colors, that kind of stuff. And Freyja is a very picky eater. I swear that she does not like preservatives, can taste them, can smell them, and will avoid it. So this is no added beef or pork, no added wheat gluten, no added egg or dairy, no added soya, rich in duck, free from unhealthy additives, and it's a valuable source of energy. Well, duh, it's food. This is the duck flavor, and this is the 2-kilogram bag. It's made with British duck meat, made and manufactured in Britain. 30% duck. Compared to the British short hair, I believe it's 34% meat. And in the concept for life, this is 37%. This one is only 30% protein. And you know, I go for brands or dry food that has at least 30% protein. I have to watch my cat because she's trying to eat everything. I remember the price of this one. This is $12.99, 12 euros and 9 cents. And with this, I got a free bag. I got this for free with that. So this is a mat, and with it, a free bowl, and for Christmas. So I thought that was cool. I mean, the price was good anyway. Well, the price is good anyway for the Greenwoods dry food. And now I can get a free bowl. This is bigger than the bowls she has. Now, the only issue I have with it is it's plastic, but I only plan to use it for the holidays anyway. It's a Christmassy thing. And this mat that she can eat on. It's just a thin plastic mat. So I'm gonna give her some of the Concept for Life British short hair food. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it to her here so that you can see. Do you like it, Freyja? Are you chewing or are you swallowing? Yes, you are chewing. That's good. I got Freyja a new scratchy thingy because the old one she had was like the wave one, but she completely destroyed it, and I really needed to get her a new one. So I got her this, and this is actually a 2-in-1 because they have one in here. They have a big one, and then they have one in here. I should open it and show you. Okay, so this is it. Now somehow I need to get this inside piece out. and I'm not sure how. I'm just gonna keep pushing it until it comes out, I guess. But it seems like there's another piece inside. So Freyja doesn't like the trees, and she doesn't like scratching vertically. She likes horizontal scratching. So it was $12.99, and it was a 2-in-1. So I thought that was a good deal. Seems like it's like a stiffer kind of cardboard than the other one, and it's by Zooplus. I don't know if you can see, but it says Zooplus, and it comes with a free bag of catnip, and I think Zooplus is manufactured and made by Zooplus, the actual website. Freyja absolutely is not interested in catnip. It doesn't affect her in any way, and she just ignores it, but I keep trying. I'm gonna let you know how long it takes me to get that piece out, and I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. So it took me 10 minutes, and I'm a bit out of breath now. I just had to like slowly take it out. I would bang on one side with my fist and pull on the other side, and yeah, finally I got it out. But you can see that it's not like, look at this, it's not like the best quality nor in the best condition. But I mean, like, Freyja likes the cardboard things, the cardboard stuff, and some brands are crazy expensive about their cardboard. Okay, so I did put some of the catnip on it, and she's smelling it. Uh-oh. I'm sorry, Freyja. What happened? Oh, look, it's making a mess. Try this one. Oh, look at that. It just goes through to the bottom. I have to vacuum anyway. Freyja. That's what she did to the old one, too. She likes paper, and she just likes to break it and tear it apart. Well, Freyja. This is another new brand that was also on sale, and this is a 6-kilogram bag, I think. Yes, it is. And this is NutriVet Nature's Benefits Instinct. They had 2 flavors. One was fish, and this was regional farm chicken. Freyja's very picky about fish flavored things. She doesn't like things that smell like fish. It's very strange for a cat. If it smells like, if it has a fishy smell, she just doesn't like it. So in particular, sardines or mackerel, certain kinds of fish she doesn't like and she won't eat. If it's salmon, she likes that, or whitefish, or there's certain fishes that she really likes and certain that she just doesn't. And so that was the problem with, I remember once we bought another British brand, and it was salmon flavor, but it tasted very, like, it smelled very fishy, and so she just, oh, I have a bag of that. You know what, I still have it because she didn't eat it. She couldn't eat it. I mixed it with other kibble. Oh, she's biting it. This is the one that she won't eat. It's a British brand. It's called Fish for Cats, and Finest Delicious Fish Dinners for Cats, rich in salmon, and so it just smells so fishy, and they made it that way because they thought that, they say that cats like it. It's 65% fish. And so I got her the farm chicken. 42% raw protein, and I thought that was impressive. And for 6 kilograms, I paid, I think, 20 euros, and that is a very good price. I got her another new brand, Schmoozy, a mixed pack, 6 of these Schmoozy things, and they were about 12 euros for 6, but one can is 185 or 190 grams, I believe. Has a high percentage of actual meat. It's natural, no conservatives and everything, so I thought I'd give it a try. Okay, this is a trial pack or promotional pack of the Greenwoods wet food, so I got that as well. I just buy stuff when it's on sale, and I like to try different brands. Freyja doesn't like to eat the same flavor every single day, so it's good for her to change flavors. And I try not to give her too much chicken. That's the, out of everything I bought, there was only one of the bags that has chicken flavor in it. Now with these wet foods, they do have chicken. This is like chicken and cheese flavor, for example. So the Greenwoods is about, it's 76% moisture, 19% raw protein, but then 1.5% fat, and anyways, it should be good. Some more schmoozy nature, but this is the pure fish version. So I got pure tuna. So I got 12 of the schmoozy nature tuna fish, so tuna flavored. And this is 185 grams. So that means I think this one is actually 190 though, because I remember one was more. Yeah, this is 190 grams. This is 185 grams. This costs more, but it's pure tuna. So it's like it's like canned tuna for cats. 82% moisture, 13.5% protein, and then crude, fat content is 1.5%. Okay, that's it for my haul, and I think that in the future I'll do like a review video and review some of these foods and let you know what Freyja thought of them based on her eating habits. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye. Ciao. Freyja is watching TV with wide eyes. She's been doing this for at least 30 minutes. Like, hi Freyja.